In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to find clock and launch it. Then tap on clock icon at the bottom left corner, and before doing anything, quick tip. If you wish to change some available settings for all of your future alarms, tap on those three dots, hit settings, and adjust this section. First, volume. You can set different volume for each alarm, or use the same one by tapping here and adjusting it thanks to this slider. Go back, click on Alarm Background, and create one background for all of your alarms, or do it individually in each one. It looks pretty much the same. Hit background at the top left corner, pick one of those and hit done. Or tap on background, tap on any photo you want to set up, and then hit done. Lastly, from this section, tap on upcoming alarm notifications and apply the best option for you. Go back and create new alarm thanks to this plus icon. Now, when I scroll, as you can see, my background was successfully applied. If you wish to change it anyway, for this alarm, click on it, tap on background, and do exactly the same. I will just stick with this one though. Set up an hour at the top, and tap on days of the week you wanna apply. If you wish to label it, you can do it here. Now, to disable all of those options, click on all of those switches. You can enable them the same way. If you decided to enable them, you can tap on each one on the left to adjust it. Let's start with alarm sound. As you can see, I can't adjust the volume here because I decided to apply the same one for all of my alarms. If you decided differently, here you will find your volume slider. Now you can pick one of those options to, for example, use music from Spotify, or hit ringtone, tap on allow, manage those two options thanks to those two switches, and pick one of those melodies. You can also pick any melody from your phone by tapping on this plus at the top right corner, deciding if you want to play selected highlights, tapping on a song, and choosing done. Go back again, tap on vibration to pick a perfect pattern, silence them, synchronize them with ringtone, but only if you chose one of the default ones, and adjust intensity at the bottom. Go back again, tap on snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. And if you decide to add this alarm to one of your created groups, you can tap on alarm groups here, create one and choose create. Then you will be able to add your alarm to this selected group the same way over here in the future. Sorry, I just need to fix my phone a tiny bit. Now hit save at the bottom, and as you can see, after a few seconds, my alarm was successfully created and assigned to group 1. If you want to switch it on or turn it off, use this switcher. To make any changes to it, click on it, make any changes you wish, and hit save. If you want to delete it, hold it, tap on delete at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!